This is how we aerate lawns.
So we got about a half acre up here in Alabama. Somebody wanted like $400 to aerate my lawn. I'm like, forget it, man. I'm going to do it myself. So I got these nifty little attachments for my shoes. And boy, is this fun. Well, I don't know if it's fun. You get a lot of exercise. No. Downsides, you have to screw in each one of these little pegs, which was a pain in the butt. It took me about 45 minutes. They come with two different sizes, but they're really strong and they don't bend like some of the other ones I've seen. They can pick up a little bit of dirt, but it's really not bad. So basically, you just strap them onto a pair of boots. I wear a size 12. They fit fine. I hear they'll go all the way down to a men's size 6. So shoe size is no problem. And yeah, it's pretty wet out here. I did pick up a little bit. But you can get some great exercise and give your lawn some breathing room so your grass will grow in strong for the season. The instructions are terrible. I couldn't figure out how to put them on. It took me a little while to figure that out. But once I did, they work wonderfully. The price is right. They're super strong, and they're putting holes in my lawn.